Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here, and you are watching Tech Infinity. So, a lot of you might be wondering what new phones are coming up next, what kind of features they will be offering, because a few people are saying that the smartphone market has peaked and there isn't really anything amazing that is going to happen anytime soon. Well, I think they're wrong, and we will see improvements in smartphones, and they won't be as substantial as the older smartphones, but I guarantee you that you will definitely be surprised and excited by the new features that are coming up in the smartphones. So, what about the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro? Well, a lot of leaks for this smartphone has been going around, and the main question is when is it going to launch? Well, it seems like it is going to launch in late March or in April. So basically, what OnePlus will be trying to do is let the smartphones launch in the upcoming Mobile World Congress, and when the Mobile World Congress cools off a little bit, they'll punch out their OnePlus 8 series so that it is not overshadowed by any other smartphone and it actually overlaps with the launch of say other smartphones, because even if smartphones are announced in the Mobile World Congress, it will be a while before they are available. So the OnePlus 8 will leave the last impression on buyer's mind if he's thinking of buying a new smartphone. Well, with that aside, let's have a look at the specifications or the features that this smartphone is going to offer. So first of all, as you can see from the renders, this is a good looking device, but there's nothing really substantial here worth mentioning because this is a pretty generic Android smartphone look. Now moving on to the main stuff, OnePlus 8 will be pushing the specifications on an Android phone that are available as of now. That has always been the trend with flagships from OnePlus. They're trying to push the maximum specifications that you can put on a device. So here it is, the Snapdragon 865 and Android 10 will obviously be running the show, and we can expect 128 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage along with the option of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Perhaps a 12 GB variant is also a possibility with the 512 gigabyte internal storage variant. That will probably be a special edition or something like the McLaren OnePlus 8 Pro edition or something like that, as we have seen in the past. And OnePlus could even come out with a 16 GB RAM variant for this particular smartphone. So it remains to be seen what will be happening there, but we can expect pretty standard options like 128/8 GB of RAM and 256/8 GB of RAM, or maybe even 12 gigabytes. Now moving on, the display. So here we will be seeing the interesting refresh rate that has been going on for a while, and OnePlus is really pushing the envelope here. So you'll have three options in the software section to manage your refresh rate. That will be 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. So this device will be packing in a 6.5 inch or a 6.65 inch display. So I would expect that the 6.5 inches will be available on the OnePlus 8, that will be regular variant, and it will have something like a 90 Hz display, while the 8 Pro version would probably have 120 Hz display along with a bigger 6.65 inches Quad HD Plus display. And with that high refresh rate and Quad HD resolution, we obviously want to have a bigger battery. And OnePlus has been teasing the fluid display in its tweets. They say it's the smoothest and most effortless calling experience. Pete Lau mentioned that in his tweet. Nothing major going on there, no big surprises, just throwing around words here. And last but not the least, we'll have a 4500 mAh battery, which sounds perfectly believable, alongside a 50 watt fast charging, presumably warp charge 50 if current branding is used. Well, it is quite possible that we'll see this because the Oppo Find X Lamborghini edition had this charging solution, which apparently is also OnePlus's parent company. Now moving on, this smartphone will probably be pushing the budget further, so I expect the pricing here to be at least $50 to $100 more than the previous generation of devices, that is the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7T Pro. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.